Cars this morning, November the 4th, first Saturday. Get some content for you guys. I'm gonna walk around a little bit and then I'm gonna get out of here. The line doesn't stop, as you can see, so get over here and get a little content over here on this side. See what's out here. What's up, bro? Coming back in again. I've been out here since 7, man.
Yeah.
I almost got here twice. I came out here, it was dark when I got out here, man. My first video.
Got here around like 7:16. You're out here.
I was right in my little spot. I get them coming in.
Okay, yeah.
Let me turn around so I can get these coming in. How you been, man?
Good, brother. Good.
Oh, you got it back over there? Okay. Oh, they're not coming down this way? Oh, yeah. I didn't see you last month, man. Yeah, I didn't see you because I was right here. I would have seen you. Okay. Yeah. Just stand right here. Get them coming in, brother. That's right. What's up, brother? How you doing, man? Good to see you, man. All right. I've been in right here on this spot since 7 o'clock.
We've been talking about you since 7 o'clock.
Hey, I'm right here. This is my new hangout right in this block. What's this? L? I can't read Spanish. I don't know what this is. All right, guys. I'm gonna wrap it up after this one. Get up to 10. I got what am I? 7, 8? I'm gonna do like 5 more minutes out here and I'm out. I gotta get out of here. Gotta run some errands today.
Make sure y'all like and subscribe. Hey, what's up? Mike 392.
Here, go ahead and tell them, man.
Make sure y'all like and subscribe to
like
Uncle Mike
and
392.
That's right.
That's the one and only Uncle Mike. You better hit that like button. You better hit that subscribe button. You better hit that all them buttons. All the buttons you gotta press. YouTube Uncle Mike 392, baby.
I thought you weren't even gonna put us in the video, low key.
Did you see yourself in the
Posted
video?
like 5 of them things. I was like, oh my god, I was just waiting. But yeah, I saw it.
No. See, I used to put up like a couple of videos a day, but where I live, my internet is so slow. I can only put up like 1 a day. So it's not, because if I could, I'll put them up in 1 day.
Yeah.
But where I live, my internet is so slow.
It's better though, just to put one up.
Yeah, 1 a day. Yeah. So, because I'm thinking my boys, man, they probably mad they ain't seen me. Yeah. But I knew, I said, you know what, I hope they, because I read in there on one of my descriptions that my internet is slow. I put it in the description that my internet is slow and I put up 1 a day.
It was 2-stepping.
What is this? Let's go see this one.
Well, you're checking this.
Excuse me, sir. Let's talk to him. Let's put him on video. Yo, brother.
Huh?
Let's put him on video, man.
What's going
Tell us
on,
about your engine, man.
Yeah, so it's a 6-liter that came out of a 2004 HD. We bored it out to a 6.2. It has Ford's fly cut, butterfly pistons on it. We got a big old stage 3 cam in it, MagnaFlow exhaust, and then I also put a Ford 8.8 just like all the S10 LS swap dudes do. Put some Mickey Thompsons on the back, and should be making around 400, 415 to the wheels. But I need to go get it dynoed again after putting the Trailblazer SS intake on there, and that's about it. Yeah. Oh, also 6-speed manual. I know everybody likes to do automatic. I wanted to do a 6-speed manual. I got the Tremec TR6060 out of a 2014 Chevy SS. Yeah, and it's rolling. It likes it. I like it. Yeah.
I appreciate it, man.
Heck yeah, man.
That's my channel, man, right here.
Okay, cool. I got to go. My bad, brother.
So you see yourself
photo of it. Let me take a Hold on, you gonna put all this stuff up on there? Thank you. All right, brother.
Appreciate you, brother.
Take care, man.
Yes, sir.
Take it easy.
Yes, sir.
I'm telling you, mine is not even.
Hey, they got sticks in the bag.
Mine ain't even the fastest. Mine's not the fastest.
This one right here?
I don't know what that little shiny thing is.
You don't know what it is. And also, I gotta finish hooking up my AC, so I'm trying to keep this thing as street comfortable as possible. Yeah, bro. So I gotta finish running my AC lines, and I got heat. All of my dash works and everything, so you know you can just chill with it on the road. Nah, man, you run into some issues.
You're on YouTube, brother.
What's up, YouTube?
All right, thank you. What's up, brother?
Yeah, how are you?
6-7 comments. I was happy.
What are these lost? That's right. Let's take a short
Nah,
trip.
they never put any V8s in there. Yeah, that's just... Hey, yo, these buses lately in the mornings, they just sounding good.
All right, I got to get some more content for you guys, man.
And they don't even want Uncle Mike, there you go. We're about to show it off, man.
Okay.
So we got 7.3.
All right. What do you got in that thing? 7.3, you say? You said something about this bus is special.
Pop the hood on that thing.
Hey man, film that for me. I got a bag here. Hey man, film that for me.
Hey, you Uncle Mike 392. He's such a
What am I looking at, yo?
Oh, that's that school bus. Uncle Mike literally hold his camera. Why did he fart like that? Yo, where did Uncle Mike go? Where did he go? Yo, we don't oh, there you go. Uncle Mike 392. Make sure y'all hit that like button, that subscribe button. Oh, he looking kind of clean today. Look at that. Ooh, yes sir. Yes sir.
I appreciate you, brother. Thank you so much, man. It's me, guys. I got them all, man.
You just take the wing off and then make the hood back to stock. I love those Monte Carlos.
There you go.
I don't like that wing and stuff on it.
No.
Man.
Just leave it like it is, man.
Yeah.
Something ain't made
Yeah,
to be
something
messed with.
you made the touch,
Leave
you
them alone.
know.
Just leave them alone.
You put my mom had one with the white leather tires, white, you know, with the rally wheels, with the, you know, kind of same as this. Back in the day, man, we used to love that car, man. I used to love that. I used to drive. She wouldn't let me have it though. she wouldn't give it up, man.
Officer, when you show yourself on my video to your other officers and tell them to subscribe to my channel.
Oh yeah, I tell them. Yeah,
Uncle Mike 392.
Yeah, I got a lot of car guys.
I see all these people hanging around you. They know you?
Nah, I just talk to people, man. I'm a car guy, you know. Just a car guy. No, they always ask me about the patrol car. I said that's just a work car. I ain't got nothing.
Yeah.
Let me show you what I'm into.
You're a GTO, man.
Oh yeah. See, that's how you're supposed to have it.
Yeah,
right
you
there.
just leave it like it is.
Oh yeah.
Leave it like it is. Don't mess
Yeah. Now, if you get the 3 deuces on its right, you have the 3 deuces. GTO's supposed to have 3 deuces.
Let's see.
That's just old. That's tell you old copies. That's what we used to do back to the
You left with him. Why didn't you come back with him? He saw a car.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, they got a lot of beautiful cars today.
Oh yeah.
Man, look at the weather, man. Turn turned out good, didn't it?
It's supposed to get up to 72 today.
Yeah. It was freezing last week.
What's stuck to your ST?
Last tea.
All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap this up and start another. I'll see you guys on the other side. Later.